We'll start from the home page of the AWS Management Console. From here, I could search for Amplify or, as I have here, click on it from my recently viewed service list. So here are all of the apps that I have deployed with the Amplify console. To create a new one, I simply select Host Web App. Here I just need to connect to my Git repository. In this case, I'll choose a repository on GitHub. When I click on Continue, I'll need to authorize the Amplify console to be able to access this repo on GitHub. Once that's done, just select the branch to monitor and hit Deploy. I'll choose Main here, as I can also do more advanced things like choose monorepo and select the directory my app is in, or I can choose more advanced settings like a Docker container image to run my builds in an environment variable I can pass through. Finally, I just review the build settings and click Save and Deploy. Then my new build starts. You can see the process transition from provision to build to deploy to verify. At each stage, I can drill down into the logs to see what exactly is going on if I want to. I've sped up the recording here in the interest of time. In total, this deployment took just a few minutes. When the deploy is done, I can click on the deployment URL to view my app. In this case, I'm just showing off a simple web app that shows a product picker, letting the user view the details about various food items. So now my app is deployed, let's make a small change and watch the whole process complete again automatically. First, I'll clone my repository to my workstation. Then I'll open up my editor and make a single change to the app. Now my header on the page should say, compare these great products. They are now awesome products. I'll commit the change to Git and push the commit to my remote repository. Now let's go back to the Amplify console to see the status of my app. Here you can see it's already detected my new app version and started a new build. I'll click in to see the details and we can watch as the build finishes. Now let's look at the app again. After a hard refresh of my browser, we'll see my changes deployed live. It's just that simple.